Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the mining news. Today with Uranium Energy Corp, Canada Nickel, Miata Metals, Southern Cross Gold and Uranium Royalty here on Commodity.TV. It took a while, but the USA has woken up. They have realized that it has to stand on its hind legs if, on the one hand, it massively expands nuclear power and then has to import the fuel. That makes really no sense. Uranium must be mined in the USA again, and a lot of that as much and as quick as possible. Uranium Energy is one of the main beneficiaries in the future of Trump's program. Uranium Energy Corp, UEC, currently has $271 million in cash, inventory and stock at market prices and no debt. The inventory amounts to almost 1.4 million pounds of U3O8 worth almost $100 million at market prices. The company intends to use this to advance 3 important projects in the coming months. For example, the development of disposal wells is already underway at Burke Hollow, meaning that production will be possible in the near future. A summary of the technical report for a new hub-and-spoke model anchored by the Sweetwater facility in the Great Divide Basin in Wyoming is also expected to be published by the end of the financial year 2025. In addition, the pre-feasibility study for Rough Rider has commenced with metallurgical test work well advanced. Canada Nickel reported the next big hits on several projects. Among others, the company encountered 0.27% nickel over 711 meters, including 0.45% nickel over 39 meters within 0.37% nickel over 120 meters. Several resource estimates are in progress. In addition, Canada Nickel is pleased to announce its next cash infusion as it closes a $20 million financing with the First Nations. The convertible note with the Taykwa-Tagamu Nation represents the largest known direct equity investment by a First Nation in a Canadian critical minerals company to date. Miata Metals has released its first significant results from the Sailor Creek Gold Project in Suriname, with confirmed gold occurrences in bedrock. Up to 5.46 grams gold per ton over 1.5 meter was discovered in the Golden Hands zone. The results are from the first phase of a 10,000 meter drill program, of which almost 1,500 meters have already been completed. A further 8,500 meters are planned. The results indicate near surface, potentially economically mineable gold zones for both open pit and underground mining. The project is strategically located in the Guyana Greenstone Belt, one of the most productive gold regions in the world near Newmont's Marion mine. Miata currently holds 70% of the project and has now secured the option to increase its interest to 100%, a strong step towards full control and long-term development. For investors, this makes Miata Metals a promising player in the junior gold sector. Attractive geology, strategic location, good initial drill results and a clear growth scenario. In a market environment with increasing demand for gold and limited supply, projects such as Sailor Creek could become massively more important in the future. Southern Cross Gold achieved spectacular drill results at Sunday Creek. Southern Cross Gold announced outstanding drill results from its 100% owned Sunday Creek gold antimony project in Victoria in Australia. A borehole intersected 3.4 meters grading 466 grams gold equivalent per ton, including an intercept of 2.4 meters grading 670 grams gold equivalent per ton. Also of note is a single sample of 4,700 grams gold per ton over 0.2 meters, the third highest ever recorded on the project. These results confirm the exceptional high-grade and vertical continuity of mineralization at Sunday Creek. In addition, 6 new vein systems have been discovered between the Christina and Golden Dyke zones, significantly increasing the potential for further resources. There are currently 24 drill holes under assay, with 8 more actively being drilled to systematically expand the mineralized area. With its strategic location just 60 kilometers north of Melbourne and a combination of high-grade gold and critical antimony, Sunday Creek positions itself as one of the most promising exploration projects in the world. New royalty for Uranium Royalty. The world's only royalty company in the uranium sector recently announced that it has entered into an agreement to acquire a new 2% gross royalty on the Aberdeen uranium project in Nunavut in Canada, operated by Forum Energy Metals Corp. You can also find all the information on our Commodity.TV app in German and English, as well as everything about commodities. Please note the disclaimer. The shares discussed are or will be part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificates, and I am directly or indirectly a shareholder in the companies. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.